Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. SriNagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to answer this question, how ginger helps in digestion. Does it help in digestion or it doesn't help in digestion? Is ginger has capability to enhance the digestion? Can it be very good tonic for your digestion? Can our digestion be better with the use of ginger? So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. In Ayurveda, ginger is known as shunthi, that is dry ginger is known as shunthi, and otherwise ginger is just like ginger, shunthi, but it comes under shunthi. Fresh ginger is known as adrak. Adrak is the word for fresh ginger. Now the question comes, should we use shunthi, that is dry ginger, or should we use fresh ginger if we want to enhance our digestive fire? In Ayurveda, it's been said the adraka, the fresh ginger, it is responsible for enhancing your digestive fire because it pacifies the kapha dosha and it enhances the pitta dosha to some extent, aggravation for the pitta dosha. And you know, pitta dosha is related with digestion. So it is the fresh ginger is responsible for enhancing the pitta dosha. That's why in Indian cooking or in Ayurveda cooking, it's been recommended that use ginger in your vegetables or cook with ginger, not excess of ginger but just limited amount of ginger. This much ginger is good enough for 5 people. So 5 people food. So little bit just to enhance flavor they are using ginger. In addition to that, if you have a lot of gas issues, stomach issues, digestion issues, ginger, little bit ginger if you use, it will help to prevent these digestion issues. But you need to make sure, like, you should not have acidity issues, you should not have ulcer issues. If the digestion issues are because of acidity or because of ulcer, then ginger use is been prohibited. Why? Because ginger is hot in potency. It can aggravate the acidity, it can aggravate the ulcer problem if somebody has, or erosion, any kind of erosion if you have, or if you have taken a lot of alcohol and after alcohol if you have acidity, then use of ginger is prohibited. But otherwise ginger is very beneficial in maintaining your weight, to enhancing your digestive fire and to aid that digestion naturally. Now the question comes, ginger is hot in potency or cold in potency? Ginger is hot in potency, not cold in potency. Not only this, ginger is also very beneficial to remove the extra toxins that got accumulated because of excess eating of food. So even if you are overeating, if you have habit of overeating, best you don't do overeating, but if you are doing overeating, ginger is something which will help you to digest the toxins that get created because of undigested food, as it aids the digestive fire, it enhances the metabolism in a way, and it enhances metabolism, I can't say exactly, but you can say it enhances the digestive fire, so it improves the digestion. So what is the best way to eat ginger if somebody has very low digestive fire? If somebody has very low digestive fire, then they can eat ginger with rock salt or sandhavlavan just before food. If somebody has very weak digestive fire, how you recognize? Like regarding that, I already have created video also, what are the signs for weak digestive fire, but you can recognize by yourself also, like whatever you are eating, you don't feel it get digested. Even boiled vegetable, if you are eating and you feel like there is something bad with the stomach, you can't even digest boiled vegetable, fruits, or even simple boiled food, if you are not able to digest, then maybe you have weak digestion. So in these cases ginger is very helpful. Ginger in these cases, you take little piece of ginger, take juice of it and add little bit of rock salt in it, that is known as sandhavlavan or pink salt, and then you consume it half hour before food, and after that you can start consuming food. This will help, but don't use excess of ginger, not very big, just half teaspoon of the ginger juice along with some rock salt in it, or just first bite, just before first bite, 5 minutes before first bite, you just use this combination. It will help you to make your digestion better. But again, that condition is valid, that you should not have acidity, you should not have ulcers, and you should not have erosions in the stomach or any kind of peptic gastric ulcers. Another thing is ginger tea is also helpful in recommended in for digestion. Yes, ginger tea is also very beneficial to enhance the digestion, to make the digestion better. So after 1 hour of having food, you can have ginger tea. That will also aid your help for your food to get digested. So these are the two very simple uses of ginger which you can do and make the digestion better, because ginger is a natural herb. It is available in your kitchen, no need to spend much, but you make sure it should be fresh organic ginger. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please hit the bell icon, click the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.